Good morning. It is a Wednesday on the farm. This is my view. Completely enjoying themselves in my mom's garden. It's been a few days since my parents left for vacation. I've been taking care of the little lammies while they are gone. They extended their vacation for another 2 days, so I'm still here for another 2 days with the lambs. He is my cutie patootie and he likes cuddles, so it's been quite fun. But yeah, I'm gonna try to vlog more, but for now there's nothing really going on the farm, so I can't really show anything extravagant. So I'm sitting outside a bit. It's been a good day. Nothing extravagant that happened. Mostly doing things around the house, not doing anything specific, and nothing I can show you guys yet. Our orphan lambs, we put them with the big mamas, and I got here and one of the baby lambs' feet was broken, so we are going to fix that real quick. This is my view. Good day. It's actually good night already because the sun is setting, but I'm gonna take you guys with me to go fetch the young ewes and the rams, because they go to another camp during the day and then we bring them back to the house when it's around 5-6ish, sometimes earlier. It depends on the day. Today is not nice and sunny, so we leave them a little bit so that they can they can eat grass. So I opened this gate now and I'm gonna call them and then I'll show you guys. See there, right there. Just calling them. The hard part is getting them into there. You go off here, and then I will just stand here and then you guys can see. Come! Ice to. So that is Melky, English Milky. He likes cuddles, but when he's with the ewes, then he doesn't like us that much. See? Kom hier, meneer, kom. Kom, meneer. Kom, meneer. I'm just gonna go towards him a little bit at a time, and then he lets me pet him. You're Malkos. Hello, Batman. Soek jy ook liefde? This is Batman, our eldest one. Hello, grootman. Hello, grootman. He actually got injured by his eye in summer, and we fixed it. Wil jy ook gepet word? I'm sitting here editing, and I'm just realizing my South African came out like heavy there, eh? Like really in your face.